Hey, what's up? I'm Jeff Cowens. I'm gonna teach you how to do the Cupid Shuffle. I'm sure you've seen it at a party, wanted to get in and try it. Now you're gonna learn it. Here's how it goes. You take 4 steps to the side, yeah? To your right side. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Now take 4 steps to the other side, which is the left. 6, 7, 8. Step, step, step. Easy enough? You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it? All right. As you can see, we're all doing different with the hands, so that's cool. Do whatever you want with your hands. Just make sure that your steps are 4 to the right, 4 to the left. You got it? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we're gonna do some kicks here. You're gonna go right, left, and the kicks are kick, 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 kick. Yes? Let's put a little hop in it. When you kick, jump a little. 6, 7, 8, kick, 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 kick. Got that? Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way. 5, 6, 7. Now kick. You go. Kick, 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 kick. Got it? All right. Let's add one more thing, and then you're going to put it all together. You're going to go with your knees, right, left, right, left. We call it walk it out. But now you're going to put the walk it out that you already know into this. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. At the same time, you're turning to your left. 6, 7, 8. 1. Got it? There you go. Cupid Shuffle. Let's put it all together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now kick, 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 kick. Turn, 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 turn. You got it?